Hi loyal viewers. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files between your phone and laptop wirelessly. The only requirement is to have both devices connected to the same network. First, open your web browser and head over to Xender.com. Download Xender for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Xender. When the installation is finished, click Finish to launch the application. If Windows Firewall asks for permission to allow Xender to communicate on the network, click Allow. Now, in the Xender app interface, click Connect to Phone. If Xender asks for location access, click Yes to allow it. After that, you should see a QR code on your computer screen. Now, it's time to pick up your phone. Open Xender on your phone. If you don't have Xender installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once Xender is open, look at the top right corner and tap the plus button. Then, select Connect to PC. This will open the QR code scanner. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen and wait a few seconds for the devices to connect. Once the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation on your phone and computer. Your phone is now connected to your laptop, and you can start transferring files. On your computer, click Import to PC to access the media files on your phone. Now, select the photos or videos you want to transfer, and click Download. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer time will depend on the size and number of files you're sending. Once the transfer is finished, click the small File Explorer icon to open the location where the downloaded files are saved. You can also transfer files from your computer back to your phone. Simply use the Send to Phone option. And that's how you can transfer files between your phone and laptop wirelessly using Xender, without needing a USB cable. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.